Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkCast English Tv, where learning English is easy. No boring lessons, just real conversations. I'm Alina, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
And I'm Lucas. Hello, friends. It's a great day for a chat. I'm feeling wonderful, Alina. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking, Lucas. I'm actually feeling a little hungry, which is perfect for our topic today.
Ooh, that makes me excited. What are we talking about?
Today, we are talking about our favorite foods. We'll chat about delicious meals, big cravings, and happy food memories.
Oh, I love that. This is such an easy and fun topic to chat about. Everyone eats, so everyone has an opinion. It's a perfect, simple way to learn new words and sentences.
Exactly. It connects to our daily lives in such a beautiful way. Are you ready to talk about food, Lucas?
I was born ready.
Wonderful. And before we start, a quick and friendly reminder to all of our amazing listeners. If you enjoy our real conversations, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends and family who are also learning. It helps us so much.
Yes, please. Sharing food is great, and sharing our channel is even better. Let's learn together.
Absolutely. So let's begin. Lucas, let's start with a simple question. What is your all-time favorite food? The one you could eat again and again.
Oh, that's an easy one for me. My absolute favorite is pizza. A simple, classic pizza with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and maybe some basil. It's just perfect.
That sounds delicious. What do you love so much about it? Is it the taste, the smell?
Everything. The smell when it comes out of the oven is amazing. It's so warm and cheesy. And the taste, the crispy crust, the warm, soft cheese. I'm getting hungry just talking about it. It also makes me feel happy and relaxed. It's my comfort food.
I understand that completely. It's a food that makes you feel good. Pizza is a great choice. It's so shareable, too. Do you have a special memory with pizza?
Oh, yes. When I was a child, my family made pizza together every Friday night. It was our tradition. My job was to put the cheese on. Sometimes I made a big mess, but it was so much fun. So for me, pizza is not just food, it's a happy memory. What about you, Alina? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is a little different. I absolutely love sushi.
Oh, really? Sushi. That's so interesting. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Of course. I love the fresh taste. It's light and healthy. My favorite type has avocado and cucumber, and sometimes a little salmon. The rice is a little sweet, and the soy sauce is a little salty. The combination is just perfect for me.
That sounds very sophisticated. I like it too, but it's not my first choice. What made you try sushi for the first time?
A friend took me to a sushi restaurant for my birthday many years ago. I was a little nervous at first, but after the first bite, I was in love. It felt like a special adventure. Now I always eat sushi to celebrate something good.
That's a wonderful story. So it's a celebration food for you. I love that. Okay, so we have pizza and sushi. Those are great anytime foods. But what about a specific dish? What is the best meal you have ever eaten?
Oh, that is a very good question. Let me think. I know. The best meal I ever ate was in a small, old restaurant in Italy.
It was a plate of pasta, but not just any pasta. It was pasta with a rich, slow-cooked meat sauce. It was so simple, but the flavor was incredible. I can still remember the taste.
Wow, that sounds amazing. You are making me hungry again. What made that pasta so special, do you think?
I think it was the love and time they put into it. The sauce cooked for many hours, and the place was so beautiful, with a view of the mountains. The whole experience made the food taste better. It was more than a meal. It was a moment. Do you have a best meal ever memory, Alina?
I do. For me, it was a bowl of soup my grandmother made for me when I was sick. It was a simple chicken soup with vegetables and noodles. It wasn't in a fancy restaurant, but it was the most delicious thing I have ever tasted.
That is so sweet. Why was it the best?
Because she made it with so much care. She wanted me to feel better. Every spoonful was warm and comforting. It tasted like love. Sometimes the best food is connected to a feeling, not just the ingredients.
That is so true. I completely agree. Food can be a hug in a bowl. Okay, let's change direction a little bit. We all have those days when we really, really want one specific food. We call that a craving. What food do you crave most often, Alina?
Oh, that's easy for me. I often have a big craving for chocolate, especially dark chocolate. When I'm tired or need a little energy, I just want a small piece of chocolate. It makes me so happy.
I understand that. Chocolate is a very popular craving. What does it taste like for you? Is it sweet, bitter?
For me, good dark chocolate is a little bitter and a little sweet. It feels smooth in my mouth, and it melts so slowly. It's a small moment of pure joy. What about you, Lucas? What is your biggest food craving?
My biggest craving is for salty potato chips, the crunchy ones. I can't stop once I start. The sound, the salt, the crunch, it's so satisfying. Sometimes I crave it when I'm watching a movie. It's the perfect snack.
Crunchy foods are so fun to eat. I like that too. It's interesting how our cravings are so different. You like salty and crunchy, and I like sweet and smooth.
Yes, that's what makes talking about food so fun. Everyone is different. Let's build on that. Tell me about a food from your country or culture that is very special to you.
That's a wonderful question. A very special food from my culture is called pierogi.
Pierogi? I don't know that word. Can you explain what that is?
Of course. Pierogi are like little dumplings. We make dough and put a filling inside. The most classic filling is potato and cheese. Then we boil them and often fry them a little with some onions. They are soft, warm, and so delicious.
That sounds very comforting. What do you eat them with?
Sometimes we eat them with sour cream or just by themselves. We often make them for big family holidays. Everyone helps to make them, so the kitchen is full of talk and laughter. It's a food that brings people together.
I love that. It sounds similar to my family's pizza tradition. Food that brings family together is the best food. Okay, my turn for a cultural food.
From my part of the world, a very special food is sausages with sauerkraut.
Oh, tell me more about that.
Well, they are grilled sausages, and sauerkraut is a kind of fermented cabbage. It has a strong, sour taste. We eat this often in the autumn at outdoor festivals. It's very hearty and strong meal. It makes you feel warm and full.
That sounds perfect for a cold day. I would love to try that someday. The word sauerkraut is fun to say.
It is, isn't it? Sauerkraut. See, you're learning new English words already.
That's right. Learning with food is the best kind of learning. Now, we've talked about favorite meals and cravings, but what about cooking? Lucas, do you like to cook your favorite foods?
That's a great question. I do, but I'm not a professional chef. I really enjoy making a simple pizza at home. It's fun to prepare the dough and choose the toppings. It doesn't always look perfect, but it tastes good because I made it myself.
That's the important part. The taste. What is the most fun part of cooking for you?
I think the most fun part is sharing the food with other people. When I see my friends or family enjoy the food I cooked, it makes me very happy. It's a way to show you care. Do you cook, Alina?
Yes, I do. I find it very relaxing. I love to make big pots of soup or stew. The kitchen smells wonderful for hours. And like you, I love to share it. Cooking for someone is like giving them a gift.
I love that idea. A gift of food. That's beautiful. So, what is one dish you are really good at cooking?
I think I make a very good vegetable stir fry. It's quick, healthy, and you can use many different vegetables. The sizzling sound in the pan is so exciting. And I can make it a little spicy. It's my go-to meal for a busy weeknight.
That sounds healthy and delicious. A perfect combination. My go-to meal is probably scrambled eggs on toast. It's not fancy, but it's fast and it makes me feel good.
Sometimes the simple foods are the best. That reminds me, let's talk about food for different moods. Is there a food you eat when you are happy?
When I'm happy, I want to eat something fun to celebrate. Maybe ice cream. A big bowl of chocolate ice cream with sprinkles. It feels like a party. What about you?
When I'm happy, I also want something sweet, like a big, fresh piece of cake with berries. It feels like a reward. And what about when you are sad or tired? Is there a comfort food for that?
Oh, for sure. When I'm sad or tired, I want my favorite childhood food. For me, that's creamy mashed potatoes. It's soft, warm, and easy to eat. It feels like a warm blanket for my stomach. It always makes me feel a little better.
Mashed potatoes are a wonderful comfort food. For me, it's that chicken soup, or sometimes just a warm cup of tea with honey. It's not really a food, but it comforts me in the same way.
Yes, drinks can be comfort food too. That's a good point. Okay, let's think about the future. Is there a food you have never tried, but you really want to try?
Oh, yes, I have always wanted to try authentic Thai food, like a green curry. I hear it has a beautiful mix of spicy, sweet, and salty flavors. It sounds like an adventure for my mouth. What about you, Lucas?
For me, I would love to try real Mexican tacos from a street market in Mexico. I love tacos here, but I imagine they are even more amazing there. The fresh ingredients, the special spices, I dream about it.
Food dreams are the best. Maybe one day we can both try them. Now, for our listeners, let's think about how to use this in their English practice. What is a simple sentence someone can use to talk about their favorite food?
A great simple sentence is, my favorite food is blank because it tastes good. It's easy and perfect for a beginner.
Wonderful. And for a little higher level, you could say, I love the way my grandmother's soup makes me feel. It's warm and comforting. It connects food and feeling.
Exactly. And you can ask other people, what is your favorite food? Or, what food from your country do you recommend? It's a great way to start a conversation and learn about a new culture.
Perfect advice. Okay, I think we are coming to the end of our delicious conversation.
Already? I could talk about food all day.
Me too. But let's do a quick recap. Today, we talked about our favorite foods like pizza and sushi.
We shared our best meal memories, from pasta in Italy to grandmother's soup.
We discussed our biggest cravings like chocolate and potato chips.
And we talked about cultural foods, cooking, and food for different moods. It was so much fun and, I hope, very useful for everyone.
Absolutely. I hope this gives you confidence to talk about your own favorite foods in English. Remember, it's a simple, happy topic that everyone can share. A simple conversation about food can lead to a beautiful connection with someone.
Well said, Alina. And speaking of sharing, please share this episode with a friend. If you enjoyed our chat about delicious meals, please subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations.
Yes, please. And if you could give this video a like, it would help us so much. It tells us you enjoy this kind of topic.
And now we would love to hear from you. Please write in the comments below, what is your all-time favorite food and why do you love it? We read every comment and we love learning about you.
Thank you so much for listening today. It was a joy to talk about food with you, Lucas.
And thank you, Alina. To all of our listeners, keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy your next meal.
Bye, everyone. Take care.